Peace matters, your contribution matters. Let's peace prevail on earth. Peace greetings to everyone. Every day we are watching on news channels that more than 1.5 billion people are suffering due to systematic abuse, systematic propaganda, and systematic violence. Can any one of you imagine the situations? The people, those who are in conflict zones, are facing. Can you imagine the situation to leave your beloved family unexpectedly? Can you imagine the situation when in front of your eyes, if your family members are killed? Can you imagine that situation? Can you imagine the situation? Your beloved parents, family members are longing for food. They are in starvation. They need medical facility. Can you imagine that situation? For imagination, it is not possible for us. But in real life, there are millions of people in conflict zones. Every day they are experiencing it. We cannot. But in movies, we clap those situations. We shed our tears. Dear friends, this is not what we are expecting. You and me, together we can make change. You and me, together we can create peace on this planet. Make people to know the importance of peace on this planet Earth. It is our responsibility to prevent violence. We have grown up watching movies like Pearl Harbor, where deaths, killings are justified, where hurling atomic bombs are justified. So in this scenario, when wars are glorified, when wars are justified, when millions of killings are justified, there are some people who wants to welcome wars. Real lives are entirely different from movies. In movies, there are heroes who can rescue us at right time. But in reality, that doesn't happen. At this time, we think that we have everything. We have riches, we have luxuries, we have comforts, we have peace, harmony, prosperity, etc., etc. But, there are millions of people, those who were suffering at this moment. There are millions of people who were living between sorrow and suffering, fear and hatred. So, it is our turn to give them a helping hand. It is our turn to raise a voice against that violence. Whenever we are in desperate situation, whenever our lives in chaos, we look for tranquility and peace. There are millions of heartbeats that are requesting you and me every day to help them and support them. Because they wanted us to live like us in peace and tranquility. We the people have potential to prevent all the violence in this world. But 1% people with destructive mentalities, 1% people with destructive tendencies, they are ruining the entire planet. It's our turn to prevent those 1% people from ruining our beautiful planet. Take a decision to spread the message of peace. The brutal actions must be stopped. The violent deeds must be prevented. The nature is teaching us, the birds are teaching us, the animals are teaching us to live in peace and harmony. But what we are doing? We are unable to tolerate our fellow human beings. There is a wider gap between nations. Nations with peace, nations without peace. When there is peace in a nation, the nation has the prosperity, the nation has the riches, the nation has health, the nation has everything. If there is no peace in that nation, even people don't have basic amenities to survive. People don't have human rights. People don't have basic protection needs. People are suffering ultimately. Because peace is the name of every religion. Peace is the hope of every nation. Peace must be the objective of every organization. Remember that violence is more contagious than COVID-19. We may think that it is a Middle Eastern, we may think that it is a Northeast, we may think that it is German Hitler propaganda, but in reality, in our current societies, a systematic propaganda is going against caste, creeds, religions, which should be prevented and nip in the bud. One day, it may cause unforeseen destruction in the history. Nations are spending billions of dollars on weapons, whereas they are supposed to spend that amount on education and literacy. Still, there are millions of people who are unable to get medical attention, or those who are unable to get education. This is what happening in poverty-stricken countries. You never ever think that you are an individual person, but you are a mighty person with mighty capability, potentiality that can shape the path and destiny of this planet. Peace is the golden ticket to brighter future, which we can give it to the upcoming generations. Peace matters, your contribution matters. Let's peace prevail on earth.